We've got a very bullish 2025 on the horizon. And as we close out 2024, I do want to say thank you to everybody. You have truly made 2024 the best year ever. And I know we're going to do the same thing in 2025. We're going to make 2025 the best year ever. We got to stay focused on our goals. We got to stay committed to the reason we're here. And we have to look forward to every opportunity that is possible. Now, I don't want to get sentimental on everybody, but I do want to say thank you sincerely from the bottom of my heart. I feel so blessed that I'm able to sit here, make these videos, create this content, that you guys like it, that you guys dislike it, that you guys say nice things in the comments. Some of you say bad things in the comments, but I do want to say thank you for even giving me this opportunity, clicking on these videos, and honestly caring what I have to say. So we're going to be going over this article today. We're going to be talking about some upcoming bullishness for Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, and the rest of the cryptocurrency space. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got a lot to go over. But before we do, if you have not been diversifying into tiny little meme coins like Pepe Meme, check this one out. These guys have 538,000 followers on their X account. They've got 31 million players on Telegram. They're building a huge ecosystem full of a lot. Tokenomics breakdown, you got it as well. It's a little bit more complicated than some of the other tokens out there, but you do have access to that. Now, it's very easy to buy into this one. You can connect your wallet anytime you want. Choose Phantom Wallet, MetaMask, other wallets, and so on, and then take a look at the price action. Right now, it is soaring in price. That's, of course, because it's in the pre-sale stages. After it launches, there's going to be some profit taking, so you guys need to take advantage of it and pay attention to it, because if other people are gearing up to take their profit, you're going to need to take yours first. $1,956 right now is what 10 Solana gets you, and that's $9,000 on launch day. Roughly a 4.5, almost 5x increase in value. And of course, if you're thinking, man, if I could 5x my money, I'd take that for sure. That's why I say everybody else is as well. So if you are planning on trading it, make sure set your slippage accordingly so that, of course, your transaction doesn't fail. Put a large fee out there so you can try and front run some of the other people. A lot of little tips and tricks that you guys can go out there and make sure your transaction hits before anybody else's. But of course, you can't be sleeping when it launches either. You got to be paying attention. So make sure to check out Pepe Meme. You got that link down in the description below so you can see this coin. And let's talk a little bit more about Shiba Inu coin, what's going on here, and why everybody is excited. It says Bitcoin is projected to reach a whopping $1 million. All right, I'll take that. While Shiba Inu coin's lead developer promised to launch a podcast in 2024, now going into 2025. It says Shiba Inu coin announced a 44-episode podcast for 2025, but some people doubt its launch due to past unmet promises. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been struggling at the $100,000 level, and currently, right now, $93,904 is what it's trading at, and hopefully bounces up above the $100,000 level and breaks out. Now, I don't expect it to do it between Christmas and New Year's. That's typically one of the, shallowest trading weeks and most stagnant trading weeks of the entire year. But afterwards, we could get a very nice January rally as traders return to their desks, as investors sit down and they take part in a massive Bitcoin rally here. Now, some people are anticipating that Bitcoin could go anywhere from $300,000 to $1 million. So let's take a look at that price action, or I guess price predictions and what they got for Bitcoin. It says, despite its brief spike past the $100,000 mark around Christmas, Bitcoin has been on a downtrend in the past few weeks. On December 30th, it dumped to a one-month low of around $91,000, and it's recovered at that $94,000 level. Shortly after, the bulls managed to recover some of its value. However, over the last several hours, it had another retreat to $93,700. The latest pullback is shortly after MicroStrategy announced another crypto purchase. As Crypto Potato reported, the company spent over $200 million to buy 2,136 Bitcoin. Could you imagine? Could you imagine some people back in like 2010 were buying 2,000 Bitcoin for like $10? Dude, it's crazy how far we've come. Now it costs you $200 million. You could have gone in there with $10 back, I don't know, a decade ago. And now you're sitting on $200 million. Same thing's going to be said for a lot of other cryptocurrencies, guys. Trust me, this crypto space is going to grow. Thus, its stash reached 446,000 Bitcoin. Wow, man, which currently equates to more than $41 billion. It's worth noting that this was the 8th consecutive Monday MicroStrategy announced a Bitcoin purchase. While in theory, the company's actions reduced the asset supply on the open market, in many cases, the disclosures were followed by immediate corrections. Contrary to Bitcoin's shaky performance as of late, numerous industry participants and well-known figures remain optimistic that we've got another bull run in the cards. Bitcoin has reached its second breakout, and the next target is $340,000. The NBA legend Scottie Pippen has been even more bullish. Scottie Pippen, man, he likes his Bitcoin, but that dude's trying to get into the crypto game. He tried to launch the game ball a couple months ago, and I don't think it did too well. So a lot of people very optimistic about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. It says SHIB to start 2025 with a bang. Earlier this week, Satoshi revealed his intentions to launch a podcast next year. It's going to consist of 44 episodes with various topics. Mondays, meme coins. So Mondays, he gets to shill all of these meme coins to his million-player audience. Tuesdays, he's going to talk about Treat. Thursdays, tech. Fridays, he's going to give you guys shout-outs and follow you. And then Saturday is going to be about spirituality. You notice, not a single day is about Shiba Inu coin. It's insane, guys. It's insane. So Satoshi out there channeling his inner Hawk Tua. He made his fame doing a community takeover of Shiba Inu coin, and now he's going to translate that fame into everybody's dream job. Sitting here with a microphone, talking to a computer in what they like to call a podcast. So Satoshi going to go out there and start his podcast for SHIB. I don't think, look, I do believe he will start I actually don't know if he'll start a podcast, right? He's talked several times about revealing himself. He's talked several times about, selling off into the sunset, no longer working with Shiba Inu coin and all of that. He may or may not do it. I don't know. But I don't think it's going to impact the price of Shiba Inu coin whatsoever when he does. What I do believe will impact the price of Shiba Inu coin is overall market conditions, Bitcoin continuing to perform well, guys like Elon Musk memeing the entire crypto space, changing his profile photo to a Pepe frog. Imagine what happens when he changes it to a Shiba Inu dog. And I don't doubt that he will do that at some point. Prices are going to soar. And guys, right now, Shiba Inu coin is still doing a very good job to maintain its ascending trend line. It's actually at a very nice level of support on the bottom end of this widening ascending channel. And when it bounces back up, the next level of resistance is going to be this major 3,500 point per coin level. If and when that level gets broken, I do anticipate very nice gains, possibly up to all-time highs. So I want to know what you guys are doing, because if you're accumulating, excellent. If you're not accumulating, you do have links down in the description for the KSX exchange. Best selection of meme coins I have ever seen in the United States, and you can trade all the way up to 100x leverage. You get the BitUnix exchange. You can trade all the way up to 125x leverage, down to 1x leverage. So they're a little bit more lenient on their leverage. They also have copy trading, and starting Q1 of 2025, bot trading will be available. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.